During cold winters, having a warm cup of masala chai is an absolute staple in my house. Masala tea actually has so many beneficial spices that many Southeast Asians believe that it could cure headaches, stomach aches, toothaches, you name it. And I'm a firm believer as well. So these are the spices that you'll need. I'll actually put all the exact measurements in the description box below. For the spices, you will need cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, bay leaves, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, and a loose black tea like I have here. If you don't have loose black tea, not a huge deal, just use black tea bags. I like to use about 5 tea bags. So pour in your 2 cups of water and your 2 cups of milk. I almost forgot to mention you do also need a small pinch of salt when it comes to the spices. So add in your bay leaves and cinnamon sticks and let that simmer on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I went ahead and I added in the cloves and keep stirring this with a ladle on low heat. So I added a little bit of extra 1 teaspoon of cinnamon just because I love the taste of cinnamon. Also, just a tip, if you don't have cinnamon sticks in the first place, just use an extra teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. It's the same thing. So I added my ginger as well as my nutmeg at this point and keep it on low heat and continue stirring. The key to perfect masala chai is to not let it burn or boil. You want to keep it at a low simmer the entire time. So go ahead and just stir, stir, stir. Make sure you watch it because this stuff boils over pretty quickly. So next we're going to add in our loose black tea, and I stirred this for about 7 minutes or so in here. And after that, you want to grab your last spices, which is your cardamom pods and your salt, and add that in. And that's it. After you do like a quick 2-minute stir with the cardamom pods, go ahead and grab a strainer, strain it into your cup or your thermos. I like to make big batches of this and enjoy it all day. But that's really it, guys. It's so delicious, perfect for the winter. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok.